this is going to be my review of the green door hinge system. Yeah. Trust me, there was a big difference in the weight and the thickness of these. Like, way big. I even had to cut some holes in the struts. But, let me put this down. I would definitely say that it does what it says it's going to do. It has like little springs that hold this here. What it does is it puts tension against this to hold your garage door closed. It definitely holds it closed. And I'm one of them people that have the big 16-foot garage door, unfortunately. And this garage door is maybe 2-3 years old. And this thing works. Yeah, I'm impressed. So far, I'm impressed. New rollers too, nice and quiet. But as you can see, this garage door is really heavy, especially because I put a strut on every single panel. Because previous garage door had a problem where it actually like snapped in the middle and it used to bow straight down in. I was having a squeak. I wouldn't say it was the last garage door hinges that I had, but it was, well, it could have contributed it. I mean, but this is definitely keeping my garage a lot warmer than it was, because every time the wind would blow, maybe I should have did it before, but if you have a garage door, you already know. They're noisy. Like, you just pull on them a little bit. And this one, you gotta, like, pull. So it works pretty damn good. Yeah. Maybe next is these cheap hinges. Hopefully they come out with a system for that, but as of right now, I am extremely impressed with these things. It definitely holds tension against the wall. I mean, there's no light, nothing getting in at all. It's amazing. Like, wow.